Hi, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for a key fob. This is for a Chrysler 300. This came out from a 2009 model. So the first step is to remove the mechanical key by sliding this little button, and the mechanical key comes out. Now to remove the shell, the outer shell, there's a small tab here. Just use the same key and pry it open. Just twist it. It'll come off. Now using the key, just separate the two shells off. Okay. So there you have it. So that's the battery in here and the board in here. You also pop this out, make it easier to install it back. So that's the shell. So the battery in here, it's CR2032. To remove the battery, all you need is a small screwdriver to pop it out. So the battery number is also written there, CR2032. And after you put a new battery in CR2032, the positive side is down, needs to be on the bottom. So to put it back in, just pop it this way. Next is take the board part and put it down in there, just like that. And now just put the top part. Gently squeeze it together, and there you have it. It's closed on all sides. And put the little key back. And there you have it. This is how you replace the battery. Thanks for watching.